Identifying homophone triplets through context clues, an English learning journey. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore an interesting part of the English language, homophone triplets. If you are an advanced English learner who's passionate about enriching your vocabulary, then this video is especially for you. So, let's start by explaining what homophone triplets are. They are groups of three words that sound identical when pronounced, but have different meanings and usually, different spellings. Examples of such triplets are raise, raise, and raise, or allowed, allowed, and allowed. The challenge with these triplets lies in identifying which word is being used in written texts, as they all sound identical when spoken. However, don't worry, we have a powerful tool that can help us: context clues. Context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book. The clue might appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it might follow in a preceding or succeeding sentence. In terms of homophone triplets, context clues are especially vital because they let us know which word is being used. Now, let's move on to how we can use context clues to identify homophone triplets. Let's look at this sentence. The sun's rays warmed the room. Now, if we weren't using context clues, we might confuse rays with raise or raise. But the sun context suggests we are talking about raise, not raise or raise. The best way to get comfortable with using context clues to identify homophone triplets is practice. Here's an exercise for you. Try to determine the correct word in this sentence. They're going to blank the old building. The choices are raise, raise, or raise. Pause the video and think about it for a moment. Did you get raise? Great job! The context clue here is the old building, which suggests that the word is raise, meaning to completely destroy, not raise or raise. And that's it for today's lesson on using context clues to identify homophone triplets. Remember, context clues are your friends and will help you tremendously in understanding which homophone triplet is being used in a text. So, keep reading, keep learning, and keep improving your English vocabulary. Until our next video, happy studying!